there. While not at all essential for this blog entry, I thought I'd take the opportunity to show you my new miniature studio light. When I do these videos, it's in a domestic environment, and as you can imagine, the lighting's not ideal. So here we go. This is my new, I think it's pronounced Vijim RGB lighting. This is a miniature studio light from Banggood. It's the VL-3. Somewhere there. You can tell how often I do this. And this is the light. Let me show you. Bearing in mind that I'm doing this back to front. So this is the studio light here. I'll press the on button. It will come on. There's up, down and set. As you can see, it's dramatically improved the lighting in here. Now bearing in mind it is a sunny day outside, but I've just got a small window and I have some small LED lighting around my office, but not really enough to do videos. So if I can do this without blinding myself, turn that down just a little, just enough light there to compensate for the inadequate internal lighting. This particular device, I'm running this at something like, I don't know, what does it say, 10% or something. It's really, really bright. It will do anything from something like 3000 to 6400K white light, or full color and all sorts of strobe modes and everything else, none of which are of any interest to me. But I am interested in the colored lighting for various scenes. If I can just give you an idea of how bright that is on a very low setting. Let me show you color, if I can flick to it. Mode. It's too bright, I really can't demonstrate that well. There you go. Oh, that's quite good. With a little adjustment, I can change that color smoothly from red. Of course, I've only got two arms, so I'm afraid you're going to have to put up with the amateur theatricals here. Smoothly from red through to orange, to yellow, and then ultimately to green. Hang on, green's coming up. And blue, etc. So you've got full color control, full intensity control. I should have knocked the intensity on color right down, however, I didn't. Flash, SOS. I'm sure there's a use for that. And back to, that's 10% of full, and that's perfectly adequate for a little extra lighting where, you know, you're trying to do a video and your home lighting, for example, or maybe office lighting just isn't up to it. So I thoroughly intend, once I get a little miniature tripod to hold it on, I thoroughly intend to use this in future videos. I'm also going to apologise for not looking straight at the camera because I'm looking at my mobile phone. If I was to look at where the camera is, it's off image, and I just find that very off-putting. I'll get used to it eventually. Anyway, on with the blog.